In this section, you will learn the basics of PHP. As you know, PHP is a programming language for web development that we can use for server side. But maybe some students are beginner in PHP. I want to start this from beginner. First thing first, what is syntax? In programming, syntax refers to the set of rules that defines how code must be written. Think of it as the grammar of programming. Just like in English, where proper grammar helps convey meanings. Convert syntax into PHP ensure that your code works as intended. For creating PHP file, we have two ways. One is that you can right click right here and then new and create a file. The file name will be index and the extension must be .php and then yes, this is the PHP file. And the next way is if I type here cmd and code open the Visual Studio Code in this directory, and here you can create the PHP file. The file name will be index and extension will be .php. Remember, the file extension must be .php and then hit enter. Now this is the PHP file. In PHP file, you can write HTML code as well. Like for example, I want to write here HTML minimum required code. I mean this one. The title will be PHP and we can create here h1 tag. This is my first PHP code in navigation mark. Save. So now the file is ready to run in browser. But how we can do this? In HTML, we can double click on index.html file. But here we cannot click on this. And we cannot open this file on browser. Why? Because the PHP is a server-side programming language. We have to create a server for running this file. How we can create a server? PHP has own basic server. We just need to assume the command and then we will have PHP server. Let's do that. Open the cmd and type here cls. First, make sure that do you have PHP version on your computer or not. Let me check this. PHP-v. It means show me the PHP version. Hit enter. Yeah, look at this. We have PHP version. It means I have PHP on my computer. Say less. For creating PHP server, we have a command by the name of php dash capital S and then space. We have localhost colon, then you have to specify the port. For example, you can specify the 8000 port, or you can specify the 9000 port, or you can specify the 3400 port. This is up to you. You can write any number right here. Now I want to write the 3400 code. Then hit enter. What does it mean? Development server is started for this URL. I want to copy this URL with the Ctrl+C, or you can manually type as well. Then open the Google Chrome and paste right here. Then hit enter. This is my first PHP code. It means we can write HTML code inside .php extension file as well.